Hi everyone, welcome back again to my channel. I, as usual, have something exciting for you, and in this video I have, for the first time, unboxing video, or I guess review video for products from Amazon. I'm gonna be honest, but I've never actually shopped fashion stuff from Amazon unless it's necessary, like gloves or something that you don't have like a particular style you're looking for, that I go for Amazon. But this is honestly the first time I get to work with an Amazon fashion, I guess, company, and I'm very excited to share with you what my outcome of this trial is. So I have a few goodies here that I would like to share with you. Sorry, I have opened the box, so I kind of unboxed it myself, but I would like to unbox it again and show you what I got. So here, let's start from the first one. This is the first item that I got. This, if I remember correctly, is an overall. So let's just unzip this baby. Everything is very well packed. I really like their packaging is environment friendly, reusable, and can be zipped back. So this is what the overall look like. Oops. Oh. Here it is. I'm gonna give my first impression and then show you what it looks like on me. I'm going to say that when I first see this overall, I'm gonna say that the material is pretty comfortable. I am not a big fan of jeans, so my skin gets itchy all the time, so it's a win if a jeans is soft and does not itch my legs. So this is actually in a size small. It is 95% cotton, which is nice. That means that it's a lot of good quality, and 5% elastane, which means that it has some elastic. I'm gonna say it's not very elastic as the materials say, but I would say that it is one of the jeans that I have a good feeling about wearing. So overall, I think I'm happy with this. It's definitely one of those that you need in your closet. Comfortable, you can wear it with a lot of things, very versatile. Turn out this is super comfortable and baggy. I can see myself wearing this every day. It's also very soft and trendy. Definitely recommend. The second stuff I got here, I already kind of opened it, but this is a brown cardigan, and I'm going to say a lot of the stuff in Amazon, when you're shopping for things, it's something that's basic, right? There's not a lot of, like, I guess, very like trendy stuff. So I did get that. Like, a lot of the stuff I ordered from this purchase is a lot of more basic stuff, so that I can wear it anytime, any year, and I guess not every season, but it is very versatile. Here is the cardigan, what it looks like. I do really like that the material is not itchy. It's not like plastic-like. It is something that you can get for like good quality. And then also what I like here is on the side there's a slit, so it allows for more movement. It also gives some more trendiness and style to it, and I feel like this is definitely a cardigan that you can wear with like basic t-shirt or even crop top and all that, just to make your look a little more cozy in the winter or colder season. Overall, what I would say about this cardigan is it is very cozy, it's warm, it is also not itchy for sure, and also it's very versatile and basic, so that you can pair it up with a lot of stuff. I like how it falls on my body. I think it is very comfortable, and also it is very chic. I can see myself wearing this with a lot of styles, and I'm very excited to see what's coming up with all the juice of the creativity coming up from this cardigan.
Spend my time running around, keeping people pleased. But this is my favorite holiday. It's a chance to start over new.
The next item that I got is this big fluffy thing. This is something that is on trend right now. Fun fact is, a few years ago I actually inspired to make like a bomber jacket that was kind of fluffy and white. It's just a lot of fur like a doll, and now I got the real thing. I didn't, by the way, complete my project. Even up till now I feel guilty looking at it, but again, everything is packed very nicely in a Ziploc bag, so you can always reuse this bag in case you want to place this in a like place so that it's not dusty, or you can also reuse it for something else. But this is what the product looks like. Okay, I'm gonna say this is super fluffy, and one thing that's a win on this kind of stuff, it does not, like leave, I don't know, it doesn't fall out, I think. And a lot of the time when you buy fur stuff, their material is not great, cheap, but I would say that this is something that is very soft, even when you're just watching like movie on your living room and just like snuggle with his blanket. It's very soft. I would say that the end is not finished, so but hey, when you're looking at pictures on Instagram, you're not gonna look if the stuff is finished with like clean finish versus serge, so it doesn't matter. Anyways, I think overall I really like that this is soft. Again, all the stuff that I've gotten so far is pretty good quality. It's not something that is itchy at all. It's not something that's rubbing against your skin, which is always a problem. So far I do feel that all these all these products are very good quality and very soft. This is super soft and also super warm. Even with this mini crop top, I was actually sweating. You can wear this up with making it a little more dressy, or even just wear pajama and layer it with this for some cozy movie night.
Making our Christmas memories. Yeah, seize all the good times with you. Don't even care what we do if I spend it with you.
This is what I've been waiting for. Overall, out of all the stuff that I ordered, I am very excited the most about this, which is a blazer. And let me open it up. Again, very similar Ziploc bag. Wow! Yeah, I mean, okay, I'm gonna say that one of my big thing this fall was a plaid blazer, and I only had one because it's not the cheapest thing in the world, and I don't buy blazer often because I don't wear it. But in this time, I would like something that's a little more brown and pink, and this is what I got. I'm going to say that I love it. The material is not as soft as others, but I think it's okay. You don't wear blazer for the softness of it. And I really like that everything is lined. It's not, you know, like typical blazer that you get for a cheaper price. But yeah, I do feel that this is good quality product, something that you can wear for fashion and something that you can wear for office as well. Any case you need to run a meeting, you know, kill the meeting with this blazer with some maybe jeans and white blouse. So I do really like this product. Good quality. Again, not the softest, but it is lined, and it is also a pretty good, I think, quality product. I really like the blazer. I feel like this is something that can make you look trendy or bossy. Overall, I'm really happy with this one. As expected, this one turns out very nice. It's very stylish and I love it.
Making our Christmas memories. Oh, and I've been longing to hold you close. Forget about everyone else. Isn't this how it's supposed to be? Making our Christmas memories. Oh, oh. La da da da. Oh, oh. La da da da. Oh, oh.
Last but not least, I have this. Ta-da! Tie-dye? I don't know how to say it, but this is more for day-to-day house look. I feel like a lot of people on Instagram, the trendy chick, are all wearing this kind of stuff at home, and all I have is basic t-shirts or pajama, and this is, I think, a good replacement for it. I really think that the color is pretty. When you wear it, especially, it looks very nice. It brightens your complexion. I'm also gonna say that this is not the material that makes you sweat or makes you feel itchy. As you can tell here throughout the video, you just can tell that I am so no about something that's itchy. I love soft, good material, and this gives you that. So yeah, overall, I think that this top is very comfortable, good for day to day, even for pajama too. And then you can also wear the pairing pants. I do say that this is a little small, but it's okay. I think you can adjust this here and maybe makes, you know, as you wear it too, it will probably become bigger, but yep. As I figured, it is one of the softest, most comfortable top and bottom out there, so definitely something that I can wear for PJs or even day-to-day look when I'm working from home.
Just you and nobody else. It's so good to see you again. To see you again.
I guess overall, how is my impression about this Amazon purchase? I am going to say, first of all, I'm impressed. I probably will need to look through Amazon and see what other amazing things there are. I would say that I shop a lot in like Asia, and it's always like a trap, right? Sometimes you find a soft one and good ones. A lot of the times from Korea, I think it's soft. But also sometimes you find something that is feeling like curtain or plastic or even itchy on your skin. And a lot of the stuff that I got today are actually quite soft and nice. So I would recommend buying something like this off of Amazon. It's just, I think, quality product, good for day to day, good for every year, every season. I think some of these pieces, so you can wear it over and over again. It's a good investment for not so much or high of a price, I guess. So overall, I am very happy. I can see myself wearing all this all the time, even pairing it up and styling it with different ideas, and it is honestly very exciting. So thank you so much for watching this video, and I hope you had fun as I did, and see you guys in the next video. Bye bye everyone. And this, shh, happy, quiet, Hap. Shh, happy, Hap, quiet. And this, if I remember correctly,